Hello viewers, which of these options is correct? Let's find out. If the end term of a sequence u1, u2, u3 is 2n minus 1, find the sum of its first 8 terms. Let's start right away. Solution. We have been told that the end term is 2n minus 1. With this, we can determine the first 3 terms of the sequence, and then we take it off from there. So if the first term is, wherever you see n, you put 1 there and see what will come out of it. 2 multiply this will give us 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, which is 1. Next, first term. Second, 2 multiply 2 minus 1 will give us 4 minus 1, which is 3. The third term, 2 multiply 3 minus 1. 2 multiply 3 is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. Okay? Alright, so now at this point, we have not yet established whether this is arithmetic progression or geometric progression. A sequence is such that the terms involved are arranged in a definite order. Okay? So let us test for AP. Let us test for AP, that is arithmetic progression. So from what we have gotten here, 1 is the first term, 3 is the second term, and 5 is the third term, and so on and so forth. So in AP, how do we get the common difference? Common difference is gotten by saying second term minus first term. It will give us 2. Now, third term minus second term, that is 5 minus 2, 3 gives us 2. So we have established that this is AP. Okay? So having established that this is a typical arithmetic progression question, we now make progress. Now, it says find the sum of its first 8 terms. There's a relationship for determining the sum of an arithmetic progression. Sum of an AP is given as n over 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 common difference. N is the number of terms, so we continue. Remember, we're asked to determine the sum of the first 8 terms. So this n, you replace it with 8 over 2. Okay? 2 here multiplied by the first term we got is 1 plus open bracket number of terms 8. We are asked to determine the sum of the first 8 terms. So minus 8 minus 1 bracket closes multiplied by the common difference we determined was 2. At this point, we say this divide this will give us 4 here. Bracket this multiply this 2. 8 minus 1 will give us 7. 7 times 2 is 14. Okay, so now next 4 into 2 plus this will give us 16. 2 plus this will give us 16. 16 multiplied by 4 will give us 64. I think option C is correct. Viewers, thank you for watching. Please always like, comment, and share. See you in my next video.